Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to link text here in Canva. So let's begin. Linking text in Canva is a simple process that can be a valuable feature for a lot of design purposes. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the project or design that you're working. In my case, I'm going to be using this blank canvas because I'm going to upload a thumbnail after recording this video. Now, this is going to be the design that I'm working with. And I'm going to add a text here. Maybe something like Halloweenish, because it's almost Halloween. Go into text. You can add a text box, or you can use any of the amazing text fonts here. Now I'm going to be using this one for sure. I'm going to make it like smaller, like around 50 or maybe 50, 60, 50. Gonna put in the text. Now, for you to be able to link the text here, there's gonna be the three dots icon here that says more. I want you to click on it. You see, you can need to click this button right here that says link. It would require you to enter a link or search. For example, I'm gonna be choosing this, how to rotate an image here. I'm going to link it. So now click on done. So basically this, if you hover your mouse here, it would give you the link to a specific design Canva. All right. So that's one way. Another option is I want you to click on the add a text box. In this case, I'm going to add another one, but this time going to change the font to maybe like Lazy Dog. And of course, I'm going to make the current color different this time. Make it like something like this. A different background here, probably like this one. All right. Now in this case, I'm going to click again on the more to link. I'm going to enter our GPLAF's YouTube channel link. Now, if you haven't already, I want you to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications in our latest content. All right. So we are here to help you solve your problems quickly. Going to copy the YouTube URL and then switchly quick enter the link. Click on done. So basically, if you click on it, it would be forwarded in our GPLAF's YouTube channel. All right. And by linking text in Canva, it can enhance the functionality of your designs, making them more engaging, informative, and effective in achieving your communication goals. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.